Good morning, guys. Today is 22nd of June. Today is Tuesday, and before I could start recording, I had to make a couple of adjustments. The market started showing extreme signs of strength, because of which all these calls they started exploding quite a bit. Because of which I had to shift my puts from 15,600 to 15,650. Now they are at 15,700. I don't want to come any closer, so now what I've done is I've shifted my 15,950 calls, some of the quantities to 16,000 calls. And on the Bank Nifty account, so all right, Bank Nifty account, I might have to close this position. And I might have to choose 35,200. Okay, we are down by almost 2.5 points in the Nifty account, and yeah, as long as this completely doesn't get negated, I'm not gonna push these calls back to 15,950. So of course, like we got stuck in a bit of IV spike. Reliance, which is showing extreme deal of strength, so definitely that is kind of worrisome, because these calls are at a very cheap prices. Because look at the market action. On Friday we saw a 300-point fall, and yesterday, that's on Monday, we again gapped down by almost 150 points. So the market participants were almost sure that this high wouldn't be taken out, that is 15,700, 15,800 levels wouldn't be taken out. But now that we have gapped up somewhere around 15,850 levels, so any higher move, any move towards the upside will definitely spook all these call writers. The call writers पूरा घबरा जाते हैं, and they'll be looking at completely cutting out their position, and they'll be squaring off their positions. Once such unwinding starts to happen, so that's when there will be a good amount of fear in the call writers, and we don't want to get stuck in that part. So because of which I have cut out my position by quite some bit, and these call side IVs need to cool down. So if you look at it, we are 150 points away from the put side, and we are 100 points and 150 points away from the call side, though 2/3 of the quantities are 100 points away and 1/3 of the quantities are 150 points away. So definitely we'll be looking at some MTM swings today, and at any point of time I reach 20 to 24k of mark to market losses, I'll most probably come out of the position. So that would be the idea for today. And Bank Nifty account पे, so Bank Nifty account पे कैसा है, the moment we start breaching the day's low, I'll be coming out. So day's low breach होते ही I'll be coming out, and the upside level is basically I'll wait up till 35,300 levels. ये जो 35,300 levels है, I'll wait for those 35,300 levels to clearly taken out. Till then, there won't be any adjustments to be done. Slight IV spike kind of a scenario. Both the puts are spiking up as well as the calls are spiking up, and the adjustment point will be the moment we start breaching this pivot level. What is the pivot level? Somewhere around 15,840 levels. 15,840 के नीचे आना शुरू कर देता है, then most probably I'll be shifting all these 16,000 calls to 15,950. So that would be the point. And because this level 15,750 level will act as a very strong support. If you can see, Friday ka high somewhere around 15,750 level, Friday ka close somewhere around 15,740, 750 levels. Again, yesterday's close somewhere around 15,750 levels. So most probably 15,750 levels should be defended. So because of which I'm pretty confident with holding 15,700. And at the same time, the open interest, what's building up now, one second. If you look at the open interest that's building up, huge amount of put writing at 15,800. So 15,800 will be, 15,800 is a very important level, and look at the call unwinding at the lower levels. 15,700, 750 level में call काफी unwinding हो गया. Of course, there have been a good amount of call addition at 15,850, 15,900 and especially 16,000. So 16,000 is the absolute resistance. मतलब 16,000, I don't think 16,000 इस वीक की एक्सपायरी के अंदर 16,000 ब्रीच नहीं होगा मेरे हिसाब से. अगर 16,000 ब्रीच हो जाता है, then maybe we can see like 16,100 or 200 within this expiry. So another 100-200 points rally हो सकती है. But most probably 16,000 level should be defended. But a lot of short straddles built at 15,800 levels. So if you see what's the premium of 15,800, 15,800 straddle का premium अगर देखेंगे तो it's somewhere around 155 rupees, 155, 160 rupees पकड़ लो. So the market should expire somewhere between 15,650 and 16,000. Somewhere around 15,950 and 15,650. ये 300 पॉइंट के रेंज के अंदर मार्केट को एक्सपायर होना चाहिए. So that's what the straddle premiums are telling. So now that we are heading constantly higher, I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out because Reliance is showing good amount of strength. It's not dipping below that breakout candle, and Nifty IT especially is again, Nifty IT is constantly being used to manipulate the markets. काफी ज्यादा manipulation चल रही है Nifty IT में. It's like it's being pumped and dumped like anything. But yeah, HDFC अभी एक छोटी सी रेंज में फंसा हुआ है. We can see a breakout on either sides. So we have to just wait and watch. Alright, so currently down by around 11k. The moment we touch somewhere around 20 to 25k, most probably I'll just call it a day. No point in fighting. Alright, the Bank Nifty position is doing quite okay. And even Nifty, we have come, the losses have come down. But I'm getting a little uncomfortable to hold on to these positions because look at the skew and look at the pricing. We have today complete, tomorrow complete, and Thursday complete. So we have almost 3 trading sessions and the 16,000 call option is trading at just 18 rupees and it is just 110 points away. So which says that the market has a great consensus that 16,000 won't be breached today. And at the same time, if at all we start heading higher, these 16,000 calls which have around 16,000 पे कितना open interest है? It's almost 6 million. So 6 million open interest है, 60 lakh open interest है 16,000 में. So when these start to get unwound, तो काफी ज्यादा तेजी से unwinding हो सकता है and this 18 rupees will shoot up to 25, 26, 30 in a matter of seconds. एक सेकंड में 4, 5, 10 रुपए तक ये स्पाइक अप हो सकता है because the market thinks that 16,000 is unattainable before this expiry. ठीक है? Yes, the market can be true because look at this. कल शाम से कल सुबह से from yesterday's open from 15,500 we are now at 15,900, close to 15,900, which is a 400 point move in a span of a single session. Correct? तो and 15,900 is obviously the all time high as well. तो 15,900 पे all time high भी है. So when the market has traveled 400 points, the bulls are getting a lot of profits and they are expecting some amount of, they'll try to book their profits at this level. I don't think they'll hold on to 16,000 or something like that. So 15,900 पे थोड़ा profit booking expect कर सकती है market. Because of which even the 15,950 call, which is just 70 points away, is trading at 31 rupees on a Tuesday morning. So the premiums are super cheap. There is nothing left in the premiums and ऐसे सिचुएशन में ट्रेड करना it's kind of risky क्यों है? Because the gamma moves will already start right from Tuesday. जैसे मैंने ट्विटर पे मैंने एक ट्वीट डाला था. The problem with low VIX environments, जब भी VIX कम हो जाती है तब प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाता है, जो आपको गामा मूव्स एक्सपायरी डे के आसपास मिलता है, सो यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग दोस गामा मूव्स राइट फ्रॉम ट्यूसडे. तो आज गामा मूव्स होने का काफी ज्यादा चांसेस है, स्पेशली ऑन दिस साइड 16,000 कॉल के साइड पे जो है वहां पे आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द गामा मूव्स इफ एट ऑल वी स्टार्ट टू सी सम अनवाइंडिंग ऑन द अपसाइड. एंड बैंक निफ्टी पोजीशन कैसा है? सिंस वी आर ट्रेडिंग द स्ट्रैडल, we still have decent premium. I'm still, look at this 35,200 put, which is just 50 points below, right? 50 points OTM का put जो है, it's trading at a mere 200 rupees. It means that market is of the opinion that कभी 35,000 level भी expiry तक touch होने नहीं देंगे. So that is what the market's consensus is. But if at all the consensus fails, then it's going to be a disaster. So that's why I'm now my revised stop loss is 10k. अगर फिर से 10k टच हो जाता है तो I'll be coming out of the position, and at the same time काफी क्लोज ट्रेलिंग करते करते जाऊंगा मैं, because market is looking a bit strong, and let's see like how the market reacts around 15900 levels, and then I'll take a call. Okay guys, the time is 11:40 and I've decided to take an early exit. मतलब बाहर आ गया मैं. I booked around 4.4k loss here and around 2.5k profit here because market is looking a bit strong. पर traders nightmare. ठीक है, फ्राइडे जैसे फॉल आया, जो लोग यहाँ पे कॉल शॉर्ट करके गए रहेंगे, so all those people stop loss got hit in the same session. यही सेशन पे सबका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, एंड ठीक है स्टॉप लॉस दे दिए, एंड लुकिंग एट दिस सॉलिड वी शेप रिकवरी, when those people went long, they shorted puts, so सबका स्टॉप लॉस नेक्स्ट डे ओपन में हिट हो गया, राइट? एंड देन जो लोग ओके फिर से गैप डाउन हो गया, नाउ दिस रेजिस्टेंस सॉरी नाउ दिस सपोर्ट विल गेट टेकन आउट करके यहां पे अगर शॉर्ट करते मार्केट को, सो ऑल दोस पीपल स्टॉप लॉसेस वुड हैव हिट yesterday. So the market is kind of tricky, so because of which I am not very comfortable to trade this market, and yeah, so this is the end of my trading day guys. 4.4k loss here and 2.5k profit here, so net on net minus 2k loss, I mean 2k loss. I hope you guys had a good trading session, and at least better than mine, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.